I was there in 1980, 80 to 81, and it was at the height of kind of political activity, gay liberation. It was like the Mecca for gay people. And it was the first time that gay bars had taken the shades off the windows and light would come in, and there were gay activities, there were gay political groups. It was, people were out, beginning to just become part of the world. And then we moved back here in May of 81. So I was there from June 80 to May 81. And I saw a patient there that I didn't know what it was at the time, but it was somebody who we later were able to recognize had probably been the first AIDS patient that I had seen. And when I got back to Mass General as a resident, that's when the epidemic just exploded, and I began seeing lots of patients who were dying of AIDS. At the time, we had nothing to do but take care of them while they were dying. And Kerry and I were very actively involved with the political activity in Forstein, the gay men's groups. He was very involved with the Black Gay Men's Association. And we had lost, over the next few years, lots of friends from San Francisco, because my generation had no idea what was happening with gay liberation. Of course, all of a sudden, this virus had a perfectly great route to transmit across people to people to people, and we didn't know what hit us as a generation. So half of my generation died from the AIDS epidemic, the gay men. And Carrie and I were both heavily invested here in working with people with HIV and doing political work and prevention work, and we decided that that was going to be just sort of what we had to do.